Hey, what's going on, Weavers? Tim here again. This is the Patreon appreciation giveaway for this month. So this is not a direct reward for supporting on Patreon. It's just something I do on the side to show my appreciation for all of my Patreon supporters. So before we announce the winners, let's have a quick look at the prizes. This time both prizes are the same for the two winners, and they are fully blacked out Weavers of Eternity fishhook paracord keychains. So as you can see, I've got some really nice hardware here. This is PVD coated brass, and it's got a really nice finish on it. And of course, just paired that out with some nice simple black paracord done Cobra knots, right? And I think this keychain or this setup looks awesome. I've always wanted to do a set of these like this, and I think they look really sweet, all kind of ninja'd out. And yeah, I think the winners will like them. And of course, I do have the usual Weavers of Eternity brass tag on there. So those are the two prizes. And for this month, the two winners are Sandy and Wolfgang J. Congrats to you two. Thank you so much for supporting me on Patreon, and thank you for your continued support. And yeah, I will be sending both of you out an email very soon to get your shipping details and get the prizes out to you. So for those of you that aren't aware, I do run a Patreon page to support this channel. And if you want access to exclusive videos each and every month, you can see the link to my Patreon page and check it out. Link in the video as well as down below. And I thank you for even considering. And for those of you that are supporting me on Patreon, again, thank you so much. You know, your guys' support means the world to me right now, and it is really helping with the production of all the videos. And I can't thank you guys enough. So once again, as always, thank you. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one.